Hey, how old are you?
21.
21? Oh, you're only 21 years old. You're a young buck.
Yeah.
How long you been doing calisthenics for?
So I've been doing calisthenics for maybe not too long now, maybe about 5 years. It depends on how long you've really been doing it, but I don't consider that too long.
Nah, that's not.
I've been practicing things like muscle ups. I'm trying to learn. I like to have my body cut as much as possible. So the calisthenics help out with, cutting your body on top of getting the muscle mass you want without getting too much fat.
Yeah.
And then you're doing the hyperbolic stuff and all that. So I've been doing it for too long, but.
What would you say the most challenging aspect of calisthenics is?
Most challenging, let's see. Trying to figure out your own balance. Yeah. Trying to figure out how to get your body to work well within the space it's in. It's easier to lift weights. That's just regular standard weights. Yeah. It's just standing right there.
Isolated movements.
It's regular movements. But if you try to learn how to use your body in the space you're in, calisthenics makes that really difficult because you got to really know the form of your body. And eventually, you'll get to the point to where learning calisthenics is it becomes second nature, basically. It becomes a lifestyle because it's not just something you go and do regular workouts for. You're actually doing this because you actually enjoy doing the workouts.
Yeah.
This is like gymnastics, dancing. It's an
art form.
It's basically something you do. It's really good.
What would you say your favorite calisthenics exercise is?
Let's see. Probably muscle ups. I think. Oh shit!
Watch your going up. Yeah. My man's got the drone over here. That shit chopping down trees and shit. So you said the muscle ups?
I'd say the base of the muscle ups. I like that.
Yeah.
It looks the coolest to me at least right now.
But for people,
I think I do the regular push-ups without the legs.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. You could do the planche push-ups and shit.
I actually can. I'm still practicing. I don't know 100%. I'm still learning that a little bit, but I don't got it like muscle ups.
Yeah. Nah, I hear that one.
Yeah.
And what would you say if somebody was just getting started? What would be the base exercises that you recommend?
So I start off with it, and it takes a lot of research to kind of learn what workouts work out what muscles, basically. So when you're doing push-ups, the best way to explain it is when you learn how to do push-ups like this, you learn how to use the leverage is different, so it's not as hard. When you put your arms back more, that's when the leverage makes more balance.
Yeah.
You can actually hold yourself up a little bit.
Exactly.
But once you start doing workouts like this, putting your arms further back, it gets harder. You're working different muscles. So I'd say start off with that. You'll learn your body weight. You'll learn the balance.
What you think about what you think about what's your diet like?
Ooh,
I know you're a young dude, so for you, I know a lot of times younger cats they ain't really tripping off the diet because you don't need to as much.
Actually. So I just stopped being vegetarian for 7 years.
Oh, okay.
Just stopped. I only stopped because I want to bulk up and get a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
And being vegetarian, my stomach shrunk because you don't eat as much food.
Yeah, most definitely.
So I've been trying to eat a little bit more meats now because I want to grow my stomach and actually gain the body mass I want.
Yeah.
I weigh 170 now. Or 175 now. I want to hit about 180, 185.
How tall are you?
5'8", 5'9".
Okay. Yeah.
I'm trying to stay in that range. But I think I like this. Honestly, dancing, gymnastics, calisthenics, those things get your body right. If you want to have a nice body that can make your movements very fluid, calisthenics, gymnastics, and dancing.
And where you from?
Florida.
Okay.
Originally.
And how long you out in Hawaii for?
So I'm here for I think about 5 more days.
Okay. What you think about this park right here?
So,
you like it? Are you?
First time being here, honestly, I like how quaint it is. It's small, not too many people.
Yeah.
You got a couple dudes here. Y'all all seem really cool.
Yeah.
And you guys seem like you're good with camaraderie and stuff, so you don't have to deal with somebody trying to show you out or whatever.
Yeah.
You big as hell. You wearing no shit.
Shit, I'm actually only 170. I'm only 172 pounds, 173 pounds.
What?
Yeah.
There's no way. There's no way.
I'm only $173. I'm 6 feet, 173 pounds. Yeah.
That's crazy.
I literally just weighed myself this morning.
Probably because you have no fat. It's you probably just have.
Yeah, my body fat is pretty low. Yeah. Well, shit, dude. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is at @indigo_drone.
Okay.
So that one, it'll take you to my business page and my regular private page.
Yeah, my man out here making some fly ass videos with his drones and shit.
Yeah, boy,
I'm gonna get another
hit me up, dog.
process. What's your definition of success?
Success. Finding what makes you happy. Stop racing. Stop trying to present moment. And once you learn that presence, the awareness of presence is pure consciousness. That's success. You don't have to make a lot of money to be successful. A lot of money actually causes a lot more hurt. So if you want to be successful, enjoy the present moment you're in and handle the journey. The journey is really where you should be at.
Okay, word. Appreciate it, bro.